What if the bottle of milk in your fridge could actually help improve the appearance of those stubborn dark spots? Today I'm showing you 3 easy milk DIYs, and the last one might surprise you. If you are struggling with acne marks, uneven skin tone, or stubborn dark spots, don't skip this video. I'm going to explain why milk may help your skin, how to use it safely, and 3 simple DIYs you can try. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fake dark spots naturally. Before we get into the recipes, let's talk about why milk is even being used for the skin in the first place. The main reason is an ingredient called lactic acid. Lactic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, also known as an AHA. It can help loosen dead skin cells on the surface of the skin, allowing them to shed more easily. And why does that matter for dark spots? When you have acne marks or areas of uneven pigmentation, the skin can look dull and uneven. Gentle exfoliation can help improve the appearance and texture of the skin over time. Milk also contains proteins, fats, and other nutrients that can help make the skin feel softer and moisturized. But here is something very important. Milk isn't a magic dark spot eraser. Using milk once or twice isn't going to make dark spot disappear overnight. The goal is to use it gently and consistently, while also protecting your skin from the sun. Because if you are trying to fake dark spots but you are constantly exposing your skin to UV rays without sunscreen, you may be making the problem harder to manage. So now that you know why milk is used in skincare, let's get into the DIYs, and we are starting with the easiest one. DIY 1. Milk plus honey marks. What you will need for these marks are 2 tablespoons of plain milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is a humectant, meaning it helps attract and retain moisture. So this combination can leave your skin feeling soft, while the lactic acid in the milk provides gentle exfoliation. Now, how to make it? Pour 2 tablespoons of plain milk into a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix the 2 ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined. Before applying anything to your face, patch test it first, especially if you have sensitive skin. You can patch test it on a little area of your skin to see if it won't irritate your skin before applying it to your entire skin. If everything is fine, apply a thin layer to clean skin. So first of all, you clean your face before you apply it. And while applying it, concentrate on areas with dark spots, but there is no need to rub aggressively. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry and apply your moisturizer. You can start this once or twice a week and see how your skin responds. And remember, if you feel burning, itching, or significant irritation, wash it off and discontinue. But we are not done yet. Our second DIY is for people who want to combine milk with something known for its soothing properties. So let's look at the second DIY. DIY number 2, milk and aloe vera. What you need for this recipe are 2 tablespoons of plain milk, 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is widely used in skincare because of its soothing and moisturizing properties. Combined with milk, you are getting a simple mask that focuses on gentle care rather than harsh exfoliation. Now, how to make aloe vera and milk recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of milk to a clean bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix everything together. Apply a thin layer to clean face, paying extra attention to areas where you have uneven pigmentation. Note that before you apply any of this recipe, make sure you clean your face. Wash your face clean before applying any of this recipe in order to see a very good result. So apply a thin layer to your clean face, paying extra attention to areas where you have uneven pigmentation and dark spots. Leave it on for approximately 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow with your moisturizer. And here is something I really want you to remember. Nature doesn't automatically mean safe for everyone. The fact that it's natural, it doesn't mean that it's safe for your skin. Your skin can still react to natural ingredients, so always patch test first. and don't use these masks more frequently just because you want faster results. In fact, when it comes to dark spots, being too aggressive can sometimes make things worse. So when you apply it on your skin, don't go hard on your skin. Make sure you rub it in a circular mixture, rub it slowly. Don't go hard on your skin because it can irritate your skin. And that's why our final DIY is one you should use very careful. So let's look at DIY number 3, milk plus turmeric. This is probably the DIY you have been waiting for. We are combining milk with turmeric, an ingredient that has been used traditionally in skincare and is known for its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. What you need for this recipe are 2 tablespoons of plain milk, a tiny pinch of turmeric, and I mean tiny. You don't need a large amount of turmeric. How to make it? Add your milk to a clean bowl and just a small pinch of turmeric. Mix it thoroughly. Apply a thin layer to your face. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off thoroughly, and be careful when you are washing it off because turmeric can stain towels and clothing and may temporarily leave a yellow tint on some skin tones. Also, don't use this mask every day. Start slowly and pay attention to how your skin reacts. If you experience burning, itching, swelling, or significant irritation, wash it off immediately and stop using it. That's why it's good to patch test before applying any natural skincare product on your skin. So which one should you try? So now you have 3 options. If you want something simple and moisturizing, try milk plus honey. If you want something soothing and moisturizing, try milk plus aloe vera. And if you want to try a traditional turmeric combination, milk plus turmeric. But here is the part I don't want you to ignore. The biggest mistake people make. You can make the best DIY masks in the world, but if you are making this one mistake, your dark spots may continue to return. Mistake number 1 is keeping sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen. Sun exposure can worsen hyperpigmentation and make existing dark spots more noticeable. So if you are serious about removing the appearance of dark spots, don't focus only on what you are putting on your face at night. During the day, use a broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and apply as needed, especially when you are spending time outdoors. And please don't expect overnight results. Dark spots usually take time to fade. Take pictures every few weeks under similar lighting instead of checking your skin every morning and expecting a dramatic change. So does milk magically erase dark spots? No, but the lactic acid naturally present in milk may provide gentle exfoliation that can help improve the appearance of uneven skin over time. The key is gentle skincare, consistency, patience, and sun protection. So you can start with one of these 3 combinations: milk and honey, milk and aloe vera, or milk and turmeric. Don't try these 3 at once. Choose one, patch test it, start slowly, and give your skin time to respond. And now I want to hear from you. Which one will you try first? Milk and honey, milk and aloe vera, or milk and turmeric? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you are dealing with dark spots and want simple skincare tips that you can actually follow, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I will see you in the next video. Bye.